best car seat covers enhance driving comfort, protect seats from wear, and add style, keeping your interior fresh and attractive. My today's video is about top 5 best car seat covers for comfort and style that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Drive-A-Seat Premium Microfiber Towel Car Seat Cover. The Drive-A-Seat car seat cover is a game-changer for anyone seeking both protection and comfort. Engineered for waterproof protection, it shields your seats from sweat, water, stains, scratches, and odors, making it perfect for post-workout trips, transporting kids, or even taking your dog along. Constructed with premium microfiber, it provides a soft, comfortable surface while the anti-slip backing and single securing strap keep it firmly in place. No more slipping towels or shifting covers. Its universal fit ensures full coverage for most cars, trucks, and SUVs, whether leather or cloth, without excess fabric obstructing your view. Maintenance is effortless as the Drive-A-Seat is machine washable, allowing repeated use without worry. Installation is quick and simple, and it can be easily removed and rolled up for convenient storage in your car or gym bag. Combining practicality, comfort, and durability, Drive-A-Seat is an essential accessory for keeping your car seats clean and stylish. Now our second product is Lusso Gear Car Seat Cover. The Lusso Gear Car Seat Protector is a must-have for parents and pet owners seeking ultimate seat protection. Designed to shield your vehicle from spills, stains, and daily messes, it keeps your ride fresh and tidy, making it ideal for families with toddlers or convertible car seats. Its non-slip security is enhanced by adjustable straps and a textured backing, ensuring the cover stays firmly in place no matter how active your passengers are. Beyond protection, it offers extra storage with convenient mesh pockets for snacks, toys, or car accessories, helping you stay organized on every trip. Crafted from durable 600D polyester and PVC leather, this seat cover combines toughness with sleek style, resisting wear from kids, pets, and everyday use. Cleanup is effortless, simply wipe down the surface, and it looks as good as new. Lusso Gear delivers a stylish, practical, and durable solution for families who want comfort, convenience, and reliable protection for every journey. Our third product is Giant Panda Neoprene Full Seat Covers. The full seat covers for Jeep Gladiator JT are a perfect blend of custom fit, comfort, and protection. Designed specifically for 2020 to 2025 Gladiator models, Sport, Rubicon, Mojave, Willis, Freedom, without rear cup holders, they match the original seat dimensions 1:1, ensuring seamless installation and a sleek look. Crafted from neoprene, these covers stay cool under the sun, unlike traditional leather that heats up, providing a comfortable ride even on hot days. The 4-layer construction combines a water-resistant top layer, foam padding, and a durable polyester shell, delivering both cushioning and long-lasting strength while maintaining seat shape. Functionally, the covers shield your original seats from wear, stains, and pet hair, all while retaining full seat functionality and airbag compatibility. While slight fading may occur under prolonged sun exposure, this is normal and easily managed. For Jeep Gladiator owners seeking durability, comfort, and precise protection, these neoprene seat covers are a practical, stylish, and reliable upgrade. Now number 4, Napa Leather Car Seat Covers. These premium car seat covers deliver luxury, protection, and comfort in one complete package. Made from upgraded composite Napa leather, they offer a soft, comfortable touch while being waterproof and durable, shielding your seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and sun damage. The set includes 2 front and 2 adjustable rear seat covers, compatible with most cars, SUVs, sedans, pickups, and trucks. Designed with 3D embroidery and a large porous pattern, the covers enhance breathability and give your interior a sophisticated, high-end appearance. Safety is prioritized with airbag-compatible design and reserved spaces for seat belts, while resilient foam padding boosts driving comfort. Additional storage comes from dual pockets on the front seat backs, keeping essentials within reach. Maintenance is effortless, simply wipe stains with a damp cloth, and occasional leather care preserves their look. Installation is tool-free, supported by a clear step-by-step guide, and backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring both convenience and peace of mind. And our last choice is Smart ELF Car Seat Protector. The Smart ELF car seat cover is a premium solution for complete seat protection and convenience. Crafted from ultra-durable 600D Oxford fabric, it is resistant to high temperatures, ensuring no melting, dye transfer, or residue on leather or fabric seats, even in hot weather. Its weatherproof and waterproof design shields against spills, rain, and stains, allowing for effortless cleaning with just a damp cloth. Designed for full coverage, the 18x19-inch seat, 18x23-inch back, and 14x8-inch mesh pocket fit most vehicles, protecting both the seat bottom and back while meeting over 90% of automotive needs. The highly resilient material safeguards against scuffs, scratches, indentations, and everyday wear, while integrated pockets offer convenient storage for toys, books, and treats. Adjustable safety straps and anti-slip dots ensure a secure, non-shifting fit, preventing sliding or discomfort during drives. Perfect for families, kids, pets, or solo travel, this seat protector combines durability, practicality, and peace of mind for every journey. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.